when we order parcel from Zomato or Swiggy or any of the delivery companies, we get our food packed in paper and various materials. So today I've ordered a relatively dry meal. Okay, so have a look. I've got these samosas in a plastic cover. So I'll empty that here. Look at this. This plastic is absolutely clean. There's some oil on it, but it's not important. This can straight away be recycled. Then I have some bread and things in this paper packing. Okay, so I'll just remove that. Just make sure the paper is completely clean. This is all you need to take care of, and then you can put it in a separate bag at home. Don't put this in the garbage. Keep it in a separate bag where you can then give it to recycling direct. Here I am in the utility with the plastic and the paper that I just picked up from the parcel. It's all clean. What I do is I store it here in a black large bori where I can collect all of this for over several weeks. So you see I've kept all this clean stuff here. What I do is just add this in there. If you like this kind of content, like, share and subscribe.